Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Addota Farm. We'll tell you already, we bring you opportunities. We'll tell you what you need to do on your farmland to become successful. We bring you series of opportunities and we open your eyes to some things that are needed to be done just for the progress of your farm. Today, I still come up with another opportunity, something you can do to bring meaning to your farm, to make it more reasonable, to make it more advanced, and to make you one of the registered farmer in Nigeria, be it cattle farmer, fish farmer, and any other farming you're into, or crop farming and you have it in a large way, like it's a private one or it's a public one or it's a group one. I'm bringing you this opportunity so you can just look into it and see if it's going to favor you. But I believe it's going to favor you because it is necessary to be done if you are running this business and you have the vision to run it to a very high level. Like if you want to soar higher with it and you want to be one of the most named agriculturists in Nigeria, like the most named farmer in Nigeria, maybe today or in the nearest future, this thing is necessary for you to do. So with this, you will have the right to whatever thing you're doing in Nigeria, and it will actually help to boost your business as well. Is it necessary for farm business to be registered with C.A.C? And what is the meaning of C.A.C? And what is C.A.C all about? What are their functions? So all these things I'm going to tell you in this very video, including the year they established this C.A.C. And I know some of us have done this, especially most of us that are in abroad that haven't done this. It is necessary for you to do this. I actually did this for somebody. For that reason, I feel like I should open up this thing to many of you. It's another opportunity for you to still make your farm a better one, like to shift it to another level. So that is why I have to come up with this video, and I believe at the end of the video you are going to find it more reasonable and you are going to take action on it. But if you don't have the vision to do this farming to a very long time, maybe to a lengthy time, it is not necessary for you. Maybe if you are doing this for 2 or 3 years to stop, you can just forget about this thing. But if you believe in agriculture, that agriculture have the future, and you want to do something in agriculture, you want to be one of the most respected farmer in Nigeria, like our president, former president Obasanjo, and so many other farmers that are in Nigeria that people are calling, people know. So this thing is for you. It's a must for you to do this. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content for you. C.A.C, known as Corporate Affairs Commission in Nigeria, is established in year 1990 to regulate and incorporate business organization, anything that has to do with business. That is what these people are all about. So they are established in 1990, so it's been a very long time that they have been in this business. Actually, sometimes there are ways they register business organization like this, but it's not functioning well. So our leaders in Nigeria come about this thing and then they establish this. So, and this thing has been working perfectly since they established it. We have lots of people that are using this organization and are doing very well with their business. Now, what are the functions of the C.A.C? Basically, they have three major functions. Three majors, but we still have a lot of opportunity inside it that follows. I'll tell you the three majors and I'll still give you some of the opportunities that are inside, some of their functioning, some of the things they still do, some of the things that back up this organization. First is all about registry. So, and the second one has a lot to do with registration of business. The third one involve the registration of incorporate trustees. So these are the three basic functions of the C.A.C. So which is a Corporate Affairs Commission. What other functions do they still have? Number one, they conduct searches. Number two, Issuance of certified copy of filed document. Number 3, management and winding of companies. Number 4, establishing and maintaining company database across Nigeria. Number 5, they give full and meaningful effect to the provision of the art. 6, they help to promote competition between industries or companies. Number 7, licensing and authorizing the operations of companies and other business. Number 8, registration of share capital increases, mortgage, etc. We have a lot of functions from this C.A.C. If you go anywhere, if you make a search on the internet, you will still learn more about them. But this is a very reliable and the best way to keep your business going, to make it a standard one. What types of business or company can be registered with this organization? So we have 4 basic type of business that can be registered with them. We have the private limited company that can be registered with them. We have the public limited company that can be registered with them. Then we still have the unlimited companies that can be registered with them. Then we still have companies limited by guarantee that can be registered with them. So 4 basic companies that can be registered with them is what I just mentioned. How many members can you put together in your business if it is a private one? So how many members can join hands together to do the business? So the minimum is 2 and the maximum is 50 for private companies. So that is the number of member you can have, the lowest and the highest you can have. How much can it cost you to register your farm? Either it's a private farm or it's a public farm. So how much will it cost you to register such farm? So I've done this, like I told you, I just did this for one of my subscribers. It's not even around. It doesn't matter if you are around. All I need is your details, your date of birth, your signature, your email, the means of identification, and other things that may be necessary. The means of identification may be your passport, any passport you have, maybe a Nigeria passport or any other passport you have. That is all I need. With your signature, just do it on a plain text, send it to me, so I'll get everything done within 2 weeks and everything will be ready. If you come to Nigeria, I will hand over everything to you. And if you are in Nigeria and you want to do it, maybe you are busy, you don't have the time to do it, and you want me to do it, it is very simple. All you need to do is just to send everything to me on the internet and I'll help you do it. And if you are in Nigeria and you're interested to do it yourself, there are lots of places you can go to do it in Nigeria. We have it in Abuja, that is the federal capital. You can do it also in Benue State. You can do it in Oyo State. You can do it in Borno State. You can do it in Kaduna. You can do it in Kano. You can do it in River. I think that is, yeah. You can do it in Jos. You can do it in Port Harcourt. So a lot of places. You can do it in Imo State. So we still have some of the, although we don't have it everywhere in Nigeria, but we have it in this mentioned state, even in Kwara, Ilorin. So we still have it there too. So anywhere you can go to do it. And if you find it very difficult, maybe you are busy, so you don't have time to do that, you can just let me do it. Let me do it for you. The workmanship is not much. How much are you going to pay for the registration of this C.A.C? If it is a private one, which is limited, you are going to pay 55,000 naira only, aside from our own workmanship. For the business only, you are going to pay, I think that is 25,000 naira. But that one is not advanced like the one of the limited one. So the limited is the top. So that one is just 25,000 naira. And if you want to do the one of public companies, like you want to register it of the one of public companies, then that is 500,000 plus. So it may be 500, you can get it anywhere for 500, but if you go to the office, there are going to be other things that may make it maybe something like 550 or 525 or 510 or 505,000 naira. So it just varies. So that is just all about what I want to tell you. So as you can see, I show you the example of the one I did already. I actually did it for husband and wife, and the cost is 110,000 naira for both. So you can get yours done too and have a farm you can claim anywhere you go in Nigeria. You will have the right to your farm, and you will have people that will still back you up, that will still help you to upgrade your business, help you to make your business a more wide one, like a very lucrative one. So you will have the support, their support, and anything you need. So this is all I have to tell you about the CAC, the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. If you are interested in this CSC of your thing and you want to get your own farm registered too, please, you can send a message to me on WhatsApp with this number, or you call me directly. I will pick your call. And if you call me in the afternoon time that I didn't have the time to pick your call, maybe the network is not okay, or I might be busy, like I always say. Sometimes I'm in the farm and the network might not be okay. You can just text me, just write an offline message. I will read it and I will get back to you so we can discuss it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, if it is interested, please don't forget, help me hit the like button, and don't forget to share to other people that need to hear this, that need this.